and welcome to Tech Insights. I'm Rafiyah Khan and I'm thrilled to embark on this tech adventure with you. Here at Tech Insights, we are diving deep into the latest gadgets, groundbreaking innovation, and tech trends that are shaping our world. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting your journey, this channel is your go-to destination for in-depth reviews. Get the lowdown on the newest devices with honest and comprehensive analysis. Hands-on tutorial. Learn how to make the most of your tech with step-by-step guides. Tech news and trends. Stay ahead of the curve on what's hot in the tech world. Our mission is to make technology accessible, engaging, and fun for everyone. So, if you are passionate about tech and eager to stay informed, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thank you for joining Tech Insights. Let's explore the future of technology together.